Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Summer Celebration release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Birthday Shark stamps and dies. Birthday Shark is a 3x4 sized stamp set containing 7 stamps. The Birthday Shark image measures 2.1 inches by 3.35 inches, and the largest sentiment stamp measures 3.23 inches by 0.25 inches. The coordinating die set, Birthday Shark, has 13 pieces, and it will cut out all of the images and sentiments in the Birthday Shark 3x4 stamp set, as well as a few extra pieces for added dimension. And I'll show you here, for example, what I mean. So you have all of the images, all of the sentiments, even the little donut. And then we have this balloon, which will cut out not only an outline, but also the centerpiece of the balloon. That'd be cute to make a tiny shaker. We also have the fin piece. And then we have this little piece that goes over the top of this little rectangle to form a present. And I'll show you that in a second. And then we also have some little individual fish. So not only will the dies cut out the stamped fish, but we also have some that you can cut out individually. So let me show you what I mean. This little piece goes over the top of the package, and then you could set that in the shark's fin, and then take the fin over the top and make it have even more dimension, which I think is so cute. It just gives it that much more. Now let me show you a card that I made using our Birthday Shark. He's so much fun. I can see making lots of cards with him. And now let's take a look at what the rest of the design team has made for you. Lots and lots of fun inspiration. So be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.